A quiet, clean kitchen. That's not gonna be so quiet and clean here soon because we're gonna be cooking breakfast. Girls are waking up, getting ready for school. So lately we've been so busy. We've been eating just more like frozen food, things that we can prepare really quickly. So I'm gonna be making sausages, breakfast sausages, and some hash browns because we got a whole bunch. And to be able to do it both at the same time, I'm gonna be using this guy. This is called the Suvie Smart Kitchen Robot. We're actually sponsored by them. So thank you for sponsoring today's vlog. This is what I'm gonna use. What's cool about this guy right here is you can cook 2 different things at the same time, even if you have different temperatures, different cooking methods. A whole bunch here. So these guys I'm going to be cooking at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. These hash browns need to air fry for about 20 minutes. So I'm going to put them in at the same time, but I'm going to air fry on top and bake on the bottom. A little tray at the bottom just in case there's some drips. I've already kind of preheated the top a little bit. Air frying the hash browns up here. Sausages on the bottom. All right, so start my cook. Bottom, I'm going to bake 365. It says it takes 15 minutes. Boom. Top one, air fry 420, and it's gonna take 25 minutes. Boom. And it's cooking. So top is gonna start cooking right now for 25 minutes, and then once that goes for like 10 minutes, then it starts the sausages at the bottom.
You can do a game.
Yeah, do a game. They want the Sorry, toy. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
Do they follow the carnival then? Then yeah, can I try to do braids on me?
Ooh, crispy hash browns. Cooked sausages. Crispy. It's the air fryer right there. Fancy, fancy. That's breakfast. What are you doing today?
I am gonna do a kettlebell workout in the garage, and I'm also gonna edit.
By the way, everything from the sous vide is dishwasher safe.
Thank you.
Konnichiwa. Today's been a crazy day. Judy's working out. She just got done working. I've been working all day. I'm gonna go work out at Taekwondo, but I need to cook dinner for Judy and for the girls before I leave. To do that, I grabbed these guys right here. Penne alla vodka. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but this is gonna be a delicious meal for everybody, literally. In this bag is a great pasta dish, broccoli. There's 2 of them, so it'll feed basically all of us. And I'm gonna be using this, which again, as I mentioned earlier, is a sponsor of this vlog. So Suvie, the smart kitchen robot, we've had this I think 7-8 months, and we love it. We don't even have our toaster oven here right now because we've been using this 100%. 2 different little bays right here. You can bake, you can air fry, you can steam, you can do sous vide, you can broil. I mean, there's so many different functions that this thing can do, and it can do it separately. So you can bake up here, steam down here. It's pretty awesome. We use it to toast things. We use it to, crisp up chicken that we're reheating, and then of course, they've got all these meals. And what makes this so convenient is you just dump everything in these pans that it comes with. Same thing, dishwasher safe. Gonna open these up, show you how quickly I can do this. I'll roll this out. Broccoli first. Pasta. I am defrosting, or not defrosting, I'm just loosening up the chicken in hot water right now. A little bit of olive oil in both of these. Tiny bit of salt. A little black pepper. Mix it up. Chicken that's not thawed out, it's still like a little frozen. That's okay. I just put in some hot water so it loosen up. Yeah, I know that it just looks like a big chunk of meat, but don't worry, all that's gonna get taken care of. Second one in here. Sauce. Even this is still frozen. I did put it in the hot water to kind of help get it loosened up. I do not worry about getting this fully thawed out. Same thing with the second packet. That's it. Didn't even take 5 minutes. All you do here, open it up. I'm gonna put the broccoli on the bottom, and then the pasta, which, yeah, that's a lot of pasta. Ooh, just barely fits in there. And just close it up. Now, this is why I call this the magic machine and not necessarily the smart kitchen robot, because look at this. You take the recipe card, which just tells you what to do, scan it, boom, and then you change it. So this is serving for 4, even though it's gonna feed all of us, okay? And then put cook now, and bam, 50 minutes later, these are gonna be done. One of the other really cool things about this is I need this done in less than an hour, but say I wanted this to cook later tonight, this will refrigerate your food or keep it frozen, which is really cool. And then what you can do is after that, just have it cook at any time that you want. So later tonight, for example. So we've used that function. You can do it the night before, have it cook in the morning, afternoon, set it for, you know, later in the evening when you get home. Right now I need it done right away. And as I mentioned before, it's gonna cook the broccoli different than it's gonna cook the pasta up top. It's gonna be a great dinner. Kind of an early dinner, but yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks here in a second. Obviously there is some trash, but that's it. That's the only cleanup right there. And we'll put the pans into the dishwasher later when it's done. And it's done. Woo! All right. Woo, look at how good that broccoli looks. I'm actually kind of shocked. It's like super bright green. I'm not gonna tilt this because it's still kind of saucy. Now you do have to break up the chicken, and once I mix this all around, it's gonna look like pasta alla vodka.
Looks so good.
Mm-hmm.
We're just gonna have a little bite before.
The girls love the pastas from Suvie, so. Oh yeah, and tell me those broccoli don't look amazing.
We need to do more vodka sauce pastas.
How do you like it?
I love it. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Hey, is this gonna make you kick higher and stronger?
Yeah.
All right, so technically this is enough for 4 people, okay? If you use 2 packages, that's 4 people, but I mean, it's so much food. It usually is enough for all of us, so let me know what it tastes like. It's like a cream sauce pasta. Tomatoey? Yeah, it's a tomato-based cream sauce. Well, try the chicken. There you go.
We don't have to.
No, the chicken's actually really good. Mm-hmm.
Is it JB approved?
Yeah, it's pretty.
By the way, one of my personal faves from this last order are the chicken pot pies. 10 out of 10.